wobbly. And no need in half doing it. So if you're going to do something, do it right. Even if it takes a little more time than what you originally planned, I mean, hey, go ahead and take care of it while you got it. Okay. All right, hold on, I'm getting it. Make sure you keep up with all these screws and stuff. Oh. Turn this way. Alright, can you see me? So you push up, you slide, come over, come out. Alright, you know the wires are still connected, so caution. Right. And what I like to do when I take the wiring off, I like to immediately cover it back up. So just in case. You know, they say power still travels. And although I have the power off, you need to make no example out of me. Alright, so we got the housing down. And, oh, I see what the problem is. It's the wrong screw. That's what the problem is with the housing. If those screws in the housing that aren't tight, then that'll make the box rock. So let's fix that right quick. Then we put the ceiling fan back up, and then I can get on back to making them green beans and get my little self out of y'all house so y'all can enjoy it with your family. Okay, let's go ahead and just take this whole thing down. It's a long screw. Alright, yeah. So y'all can't see it from where you are, but I'm able to see it. So there's a screw that's missing in the actual housing to keep it level. Now, who put this thing up here? However, I do not know, but I do know how to fix something. So let's take care of this wobbly situation right quick, like move these wires out the way. All right, you see the box rocking. So you be like, girl, you ain't fixing it. Yes, I did. I wish y'all could see what I was doing, but you can't. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what happened. Whoever put it in there, I'm just using this light. Okay. Yeah, that's what they did.